Привет, друзья! It's your Russian teacher Olisiia, and we are going to continue our lessons for beginners. Imagine you wake up and think, today I want to go around the city by myself. You feel a little nervous, but also excited. You say, Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Good morning. Now you need to take a bus. You stand at the bus stop. The bus arrives. You get on. A man near you says, Проходите. Проходите. This means go ahead. You say, Спасибо. You look around. You don't know where to get off. You see a woman and ask, Извините, это автобус до центра? Извините, это автобус до центра? Excuse me, does this bus go to the center? She smiles and says, Да, yes. Then she adds, Вам выходить через 3 остановки. Вам выходить через 3 остановки. Get off the bus after the 3 stops. You don't understand everything, but you hear 3, 3, 3, 3, остановки, остановки, stops. That's enough. And you say, Хорошо, спасибо. When it's time to get off, the woman says, Выходим. Выходим. That means we're getting off. You follow everyone. You did it. Now it's time for the metro. You turn to a man and say, Извините, где метро? Извините, где метро? Sorry, where's the metro? He smiles and says, Вот. Вот. That means here. You laugh and say, Спасибо. Спасибо. You buy a ticket. You go through the gates. You stand on the platform. A train arrives. A voice says, Осторожно, двери закрываются. Осторожно, двери закрываются. Be careful, the doors are closing. You don't understand everything, but you hear двери, двери, doors, двери. That's enough. You want to make sure you are on the right line. You ask a young woman, Извините, это синяя линия? Извините, это синяя линия? Sorry, is it a blue line? She answers, Да. Then she asks, Вы куда едете? Вы куда едете? Вы куда едете? That means, where are you going? You say the name of the station. She says, Вам выходить здесь. Вам выходить здесь. You nod. Вам выходить здесь. Get off the train here. When the train stops, she looks at you and says, Ваша остановка. Ваша остановка. Your stop. You smile. You say, Спасибо большое. Thank you very much. She answers, Пожалуйста. You go up the stairs and come out into the city. You look around, you think, 3 days ago I was scared to speak. Today I ask questions. Today I understand. Not everything, but enough. And that's how language starts. Пока-пока!